For months, rumors around the Galaxy S10 have been flying over the internet. Although we already know about the most of the specifications, but the design of the device is still a mystery. Not only for us, but also for the world famous leaker, the ICE universe. So talking about the Samsung's big secret, various concept designers have already made the Galaxy S10 as a stunning device. Many of the design specifications are already on the street, but still Samsung has managed to keep the phone's final design as a secret. The famous leaker ICE Universe is a reliable source and we have no reason not to know what is being said. And what he says is quite remarkable and shows how well Samsung retains the secret of design. ICE Universe also has no idea how the device will look like. In a recent tweet, ICE Universe says, quote, "At present, all renderings and videos do not accurately represent the design of the Galaxy S10. They are all wrong. But we already know some details according to the reports. The Galaxy S10 is most likely to receive the Super AMOLED screen with an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. The camera is equipped with 3 lenses on the back, where it has 2 lenses in the front. The new 7nm chipset will provide a whole series of S10 power supplies, and new RAM chips will help make the device faster. In addition, the South Korean website found that the device would come in February 2019. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S10? Will it be the future of the smartphones? Drop a comment to let me know.